Hey guys, quick review of this wagon. So check it out, it's already folded up. All you gotta do to unfold, pull the cover off. There's gonna be like the inner layer of it, the stabilizer. So you just unstrap this here, and then it's gonna unfold. Press down, and then put this liner in the bottom of it. So it's gonna unfold. Strap it right there, and then extend the handle and you're good to go. So this thing is awesome. Wheels are really nice. Got great tread on them, as you can see. The brakes are up front there, so I think that's really convenient. If you're pushing the wagon, you need to hit the brake or undo the brake, then it's right here where you can actually get to them. I love this like saddlebag on the side. So you could fit like a whole beach tent or like big item through here because the pocket goes all the way through to the other side. So you can see this is like one big area that you cinch around with these tongue buckles right here. And then there's netting here and netting there. So plenty of storage for this size of a cart. This is like a normal size cart, but I do love the depth of it as well. And just the hard bottom there. So it's really nice. I'm just gonna take a beach chair here. Sorry, it's like kind of like a outdoor beach chair. And you could just kind of set it in. Probably this way would be the best way. So you can see that that fits in there no problem. And that's probably like an oversized one because this is like a high chair. So if you had like one of the shorter beach chairs, it would actually like fit into the container. But even just putting, you know, you could put like 5 or 6 of them just like that and have no problem. And I would actually recommend probably hanging them out the back instead. But either way, this thing is super nice, compact, lightweight, but it works really well in the sand, off-road, and in grass and everything. So I'll just pull it through the grass real quick so you can see that. Had it down at the beach as well, another one of these that I had gotten down there. So I got one for up here as well, just to have around the house, moving garden stuff and all that kind of stuff. So just rolls really smooth. It's kind of hard to explain over film or over camera, but in person you can kind of like feel how smooth it is. So anyways, love this item, highly recommend it.